Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells HC4045 5-in-1 multi-styling kit. There is a nice photo of what the styling kit is supposed to look like, and this is the actual body, and these are all the 5 accessories that comes with it. Let's quickly take a look on the other side and see what information do we have. So there we have it. This is what the groomer looks like, and these are the different attachments. There's a straightener, a crimper, a curler, 2 curlers. There's a standard curler and a conical curler. There you have a closer look. A standard curler, conical curler, and a brush comb. And yes, this particular styling kit is aimed primarily at women, or those who have really long and thick hair. There's some information here. There's a maximum temperature, optimal temperature of 190 degrees. There's a ceramic coated attachments that ensures frizz-free shiny hair, and it comes with a 2-year warranty as well. Now let's open this box and take a look at the components inside. There you have it. This is the Havells HC4045 5-in-1 multi-styling kit. You can see all the different components of the styling kit right over here. This is the main body, and let me show you this first. This is the main body. This is the on-off switch. There's a thick there you go. This is the main body. This is the on-off switch, of course. And this is the cable. The power cable is a very thick power cable, I must say. One second. Yeah, it's a very thick power cable. Let's leave this over here. Next we have some attachments. There is a document. Let me just show you this. This is a operation instructions and guarantee card for the 2 5-in-1 styling kit. You should read this at least once. So everything that you need to know about the styling kit is all given here. Leave this over here as well. Next up, this is the This is the brush comb for the HC4045. There's a way to remove this. I'm just trying to figure that out. There you go. So this is basically the curler, the standard curler, as you can see. There you go. This is basically your standard curler, and this is the brush comb attachment that came with it. The standard curler looks like this. So the idea is that you attach this entire thing like so, and I will attach it like right here. Alright. It's a little tricky, but I'll still try. Getting the angle right, but it seems to be some issue. There you go. Yeah. Now this is what the curler is supposed to look like. You keep attaching it to the body over here, the styling kit, and use it as per your preferences. I'm going to take it out. You have to just press this button over here. You see this button, and basically then press both these buttons and this pull. I'll show this again. So you see there are these 2 buttons. There's one button here and one button over here. So you press both these buttons. There you go, and pull. That's how you remove the attachment. And let's take a look at the other attachments. This is a conical curler. And what else do we have? Finally we have this. This is the there's a lot of attachments here. This is the straightener. This is a ceramic plated straightener, and it does something extra as well, because there is a crimper attached to this one as well. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see this. So this is the straightener with the ceramic plating, and the crimper is on this side. So I'm trying to figure out how to get that outside. Maybe instruction manuals will show me. attaching it again. So yeah. I honestly don't know how to take the crimper out, editor. I don't know how to show the crimper to you. I'm trying to figure this out, but this thing is ridiculously complicated and not very fair when you think about it. There are no instructions whatsoever on how to use this. Let's start from here. So I figured it out. Let's take it from here, editor. So this is basically, I'll do it. Okay, so this is basically your straightener, but it also comes with crimping plates, and you can see this is the straightener with the ceramic coated straightener right here. But you'll notice the crimping plates right over here. So this is basically an attachment that you have to pull out like so. And I'll show this again. So press it in, now it's tightly fit. But you pull out, it's a little tight, that's the issue. So there you see, push till it comes out, it's tight. So that's the thing. You may have to use a little bit of force to get them out. But once they're out, you can basically now switch the directions like this. There you go. So yeah, now you have crimping plates basically, essentially. So yeah, this is it. 1 second, let me just put them back in. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells HC4505. So this is it. One second. Yeah. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Havells HC4045 5-in-1 styling kit.